Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is the Almighty Allah. This topic is about our God, a creator, a master who created us and this whole universe or this whole world. So now I'm going to tell you guys what does Allah means. Allah is an Arabic word which means one. No doubts, Allah is the only one who created us and who created all the creations of this world and this universe. So now I'm going to read the first page of this chapter and I want you guys to read it with me. Dear children, Allah is our creator and our master. He created us and He loves us more than our parents, looks after us and always cares for us. We cannot see Him, but He is always watching us. So, Allah is the one who created us, like I told you, who is our master, who is our creator, who is our God. There are so many names of Him. So, He created us, He created our parents, He created many other things like sun, like trees, like mountains, like oceans, and He loves us even more than our parents, and He takes care of us. Whenever we need something, we should always ask from Him, because He is the only one who listens us and who always forgives us for our sins. And we cannot see Him, but He is always watching us. He even knows a single thought that just come into our mind. And on this page there is a do you know column at the top right of this page. The more a person thanks Allah, the more blessings He bestows upon him. Means the one who always thanks Allah have the most blessings. Allah showers His blessing on the ones who thanks Him. Children, please read after me. Dear children, do you think these huge mountains, rivers, trees, sun, moon, and stars have made themselves, or is there someone who has created them? Surely it is only the Allah the Almighty who has created them. We can make big houses, cars, ships, and other things, but we cannot make the wind, water, fruits, vegetables, or different kind of animals. Only Allah the Almighty can create these. In the Holy Quran, He says, "Who made everything? He has created the most beautiful, and He began the creation of human from clay." Surah As-Sajda, verse 7. So, students, what do you guys think? Who made all the things we see near us, like river, tree, sun, sky, moon? Do these things made themselves by their own selves, or is there someone who has created them? What do you guys think? It is only Allah the Almighty who can create all these things. No one can create these things. They are the natural things. Yes, humankind can make cars, houses, electronic things. Even we can grow fruits and vegetables. But we cannot produce water. We cannot make vegetables and fruits. We cannot make oceans. We cannot make moon. We cannot make sky. He is the only one. Allah the Almighty is the only one who created all these things. Even He Himself created the humans and the animals. And in Holy Quran, He says that who created all those things? Yes, it is Allah the Almighty who created all the things. And all the things that He have created are so beautiful. If you guys have seen a flower, or if you guys have seen a moon, all the things that our God created are so beautiful. And we cannot create something like that. And Allah the Almighty created humans from clay. Students, please read with me. Allah the Almighty has given us eyes, tongue, nose, ears, hands, feet, and intelligence to think. This is why human beings are Allah's best creation. Besides these, He has given us many other blessings. For example, day, night, winter, summer, the moon, the sun, stars, many kinds of grains, fruits, animals, etc. In return for all those blessings, we should always thank Allah the Almighty. Okay, so now there are a few blessings that Allah have given us, like our eyes, our nose, our tongue. Our eyes help us to see, our tongue help us to taste, our nose helps us to smell, our ears helps us to hear, and by our hands and feet we can touch whatever we want. And the main thing is intelligence. Through intelligence, we can create many things. But the things cannot compare to the things that Allah has created Himself. And Allah's best creations is human beings, because He have created us with so much capabilities, like we can see, we can touch, we can feel, we can smell, we can hear. And beside all these things, He has given us so many other blessings. For example, day, night, winters, summer, all the seasons, all the fruits, all the vegetables we eat are a God's creation. And in return for all these blessings, we should always thank our God, Allah the Almighty, and we should ask for forgiveness from Him. And no doubts, He always forgives the one who asks for His forgiveness.